night air, streetlights melting through your hair. Nothing asks for certainty, the room already speaks for us. Coffee cooling on the windowsill, records turning almost still. Every quiet glance unfolds another page we never wrote. Your voice barely touching mine like moonlight crossing water. Your eyes never asking why, only letting the silence bloom. There's a language underneath the quiet, only whispered into skin. Not a promise, not a question, just the space we're breathing in. Every heartbeat slows the ceiling, every shadow turns to gold. Some nights don't belong to memory, they simply learn to soft.